Okay everybody, welcome back to the R44 YouTube channel and welcome back to Henry's 330D, which if you haven't seen already, we've done a full service on it before he goes to the NC 500. Now, finally, we have convinced him to go with some visual mods. Today, as by the title and thumbnail, you would have seen we are going with the Stance Kit, which are springs and spacers, which Henry doesn't want to do too much to his car. Obviously, it's a 330D, which only makes sense because Henry is our product in e-commerce. He didn't just tell me that. So, yeah, he wants his car to be nice to drive every day. He's traveling up and down the country, so we need something that's going to be MPG friendly as well as ride quality friendly. You know, he just wants it to be that. He doesn't want it to be any more just a nice daily driver, nice OEM plus finishes. And I would admit, pretty much on every car I own, I've always done springs and spacers as the first modification. We're here now, we've got the springs and spacers. We're going to head over to the bench and talk more about the ibex springs that we're fitting as well as the BMX spacers. So these are the springs and spacers we are fitted to Henry's car, which are, I believe, a 20mm drop on the front and a 15mm drop on the rear. And then we have the BMX spacers, which we have a full video, where's that going, on the BMX spacers. So go and check that out if you want to know everything there is to know about spacers. We have a 15mm spacer on the rear, as well as a 12mm on the front, which I believe is going to be a bit of an aggressive setup. I run 12mm all round on my car and it is perfect, but I believe we've got a bit more to go on the rear. Hence why we've got the 15mm. Spacers don't change. If they fit your car, they fit your car, that's it. But the springs do actually change. Now I believe these are set up for the X-Drive models, which fit across all F30 platforms. But the reason these are for the X-Drive model is because they are heavier on the front. So we've got the relevant drop to counteract for the weight on the front of the car. So these do have a stiffer spring rate for the added weight of the car, which makes it drive as OEM as possible. There are some other lowering springs on the market if you do have sort of like a fast road setup in mind. I went with the ibex as well because they are a softer ride and they're better for daily driving. Like Henry said, if you are a petrol head, you do a lot of driving, he's back and from Manchester, he wants a nice ride quality, ride height. So the ibex are the ones to go for. But before we go any further, Charlie's checked the car over for springs and spacers. Mr. Henry, what have you been doing? We've had a look at the wheels, no good. What's going on here? That is not, you can't be doing springs and spacers with this. So yeah, we're gonna have to find a way around this. And this is how we've rectified the issue here. Henry's just bought a new set of wheels, £350. Well, it's a bit cropped in, but just to give you some context as to why you may see a black wheel on the car. Now, if you haven't seen the spacer video, yes, Henry has got the extended wheel bolts. I haven't taken a clip of them, but they are a must. When you get wheel spacers of any size, you need extended wheel bolts. And obviously when you order the spacers, we will send you the correct wheel bolts in the kit as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so that is it for Henry's 330D. We have fitted the springs and spacers. Now, can I just add that when I went for the Stance Kit on my car, as well as this car, although yes, it does make marginal difference, I didn't find the most amount of difference in the springs. What I did find to help with the fitment was definitely the spacers. If you get the spacers on point, the fitment on the car is so much better. So yeah, going with 15mm spacers on the rear was the correct choice. With my car, I went with 12mm. If I went 15mm on my car, it would have been too aggressive. So make sure you hit up the R44 website. We will advise you what's best for your car and what you want for your ride quality. But yeah, if you are interested in the Stance Kit for your car, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a diesel, petrol, 330D, M3, anything like that. We have springs and spacers for your car. So hit up the R44 website if you would like that. If you do want the specific parts below, they're going to be in the description. But if you've liked this video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.